Nematode Yo here, bringing you the new Zombie Strike Longshot CS12. And this is the box that it came in, but we're not going to need that right now. So.
Oh, hit me in the head.
And so it comes with this attachment scope that you can kind of look through. Has a little gauge on it, but it is surprisingly hard to get on, and I think it could be better designed. And it goes right on this tactical rail right here.
Is there a front and back to it?
Yeah, the smaller side I believe is the front where you look through. I mean, I guess the back technically. And then there is the 12 dart clip that it comes in right here, but it's loaded, so I have to shoot the gun. So, and these are what the darts look like. So and they have new darts. And it also has this extra clip holder right here for a backup clip, which I think is pretty neat. And you can adjust this rest by just pushing it forward to make it move. And I prefer having it back here, but you can have it any way you want. And it has this grip right here. And the mechanism to load is to pull this back and then to push it forward again to load the dart. And we're gonna do a little range test here. So from here to about that elephant up there is about 25 feet. And so we're gonna be aiming for that. Oh. Well, at least zombies are not a stationary target and a lot bigger than that. Third shot. Nailed it. After shooting a stationary target, that pink elephant over there, wouldn't it be nice to shoot a real zombie? Where's a zombie? Where's a zombie? Oh, there's a zombie! This is a pretty good gun and all, but I think we can all agree that this wouldn't save us from a zombie apocalypse. Well, this is Nematode Yo signing out.